It's about 6 months to a year to materialize.
पेशेंस इसमें बहुत होना पड़ेगा.
Each shawl carries the history and knowledge passed down through generations of artisans. Without the use of electric power, hand-looming artisans alone can take up to 6 months to finish or meter roll of fabric. Power looms are used as well for fabrics that require complex designs, moving at lightning speed and high accuracy. We get our wool from the pashmina goats and alpacas. Every animal is free to roam and well taken care of. Our shawls are made specifically to keep you beautiful in any weather. No two shawls are the same. And each design brings symbolic motifs to life. With every stitch, the artisan tells his or her story.
अभी तो फिर भी सोचती हूँ जब तक बच्चे कामयाबी नहीं हो जब तक करूँगी जब तक अपना काम कर पाऊँगी.
ये तो एक लिमिट है इस काम की. देखिए,
Perfection is woven into every detail. Lace is carefully snipped from the fabrics to showcase intricate details. The lacing itself is done by skilled artisans with silk and cotton, webbing their way to a luxurious finish.
अभी तो फिलहाल मैं काम करती हूँ. काम अच्छा लगता है.
Queenmark has received incredible recognition and won awards for its shawls, and continues to bring heritage craftsmanship to the modern world.